In this video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock exclusive equipment in LastZ. So to do that, you first need to head over and then open your LastZ. And once you're in there, I have in here this thread that shows us the exclusive equipment available on LastZ. So here are some of examples of exclusive equipments, which are these gold things right here. So you can get this by buying the battle pass for this. Now, as you can see, what you can do right here, they will get in here the exclusive equipment as well as the actual character itself. So when you buy the actual battle pass of this season, you will get the character, the XP, and you can also have the option to buy the exclusive equipment that comes with them. So you can head over and then go and buy that battle pass in order to get and unlock that exclusive equipment that you want. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.